About here, this is your size. Yeah, here. Oh, this one. Did you try that one? Oh, too big. How about this one? Okay, try it first. Baliktad. It's big. Show it to daddy first. I don't know where did we got it now. Is that? Oh, yeah. Take the box. Take the box. Yeah. This is what size is that? Okay, show daddy first. Hey, dad, can you check that one? I think it's big. Just give her a try. I think that's no, that's perfect though. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Duolingo pay. I think we put it from the box. You got it. That's a different purple. You already have one. Jade, stop that. You already have one like that. Are you gonna wear that? Or you that is gonna be big, small soon. See, look. Okay, Julien, come on. You're hot. And guys, ito ngayon ang uso sa mga cracks. Diyos me, ang daming sapatos. Oh, tignan nyo naman. Unicorn. Ito, grabe naman ito mga to eh. And unicorn sketcher. Oy. Astig, ano? Ganda. Yan pala yung mga unicorn na yung sapatos. Ito. Chuck Taylor. Chuck Taylor yan. Ang ganda na may bulaklak din siya. Pambata. Oo, dami no. Diyos mio. Ito man sa Nike, just do it. Pambata naman. Ito naman cracks. Really? Really? What's that? Stop. 17 pages. La. Dilana, look at these unicorn shoes here. Just wanna watch it. See, more unicorn shoes. Oh, no worry.